warming going on. And that's where we're going to see the combination of features, including a surge of warm and humid conditions and maybe a separate zone of earlier thunderstorms. That's going to leave a little wind boundary that can cause a lot of the activity to really spark off in the next couple of hours around the north of the state line. A lot of it being propelled by that low pressure system that's moving into the lower Mississippi Valley, but is giving us a steady south and southwest wind pattern eventually. That's going to help to drive the current activity into inland areas. So around the Forgotten Coast, around the Tallahassee metro, we had our round of rain and our severe weather chance. It looks like it's already behind us in the western Big Bend and tri-state. Doesn't mean the rain activity is done, because that swirl of low pressure will still bring in sources of moisture that can maybe transport a few more patchy showers across the map going into tomorrow morning and afternoon. So we'll still have at least some risk for rain, but not so much of a severe level of intensity with any thunderstorms for tomorrow. But there is a bullseye right over interior South Georgia around I-75, the New Little Rivers, and into the Alapaha, where we can see additional thunderstorms, maybe a little more numerous, that can cause gustier winds and maybe a couple of tornadoes. That means we can see a few severe thunderstorm warnings and maybe even a tornado warning if conditions come together for that. Tornado watch continues from Miller County south and east into the Osceola River area, and that's still in effect until 2. We can see some adjustments in the expiration and the geographic coverage of that around 2 o'clock, so we'll keep you posted. Rain totals will still be pretty modest, most areas less than ½ an inch of rain, and as mentioned, the moisture flow continues into tomorrow, so our rain coverage will be lower, but it's going to take a while before it gets entirely to 0. Saturday is going to be a drier and warmer day, but we do have another front in store for Sunday that can trigger more showers and storms. We'll monitor for severe weather risks with that. But after that, high pressure builds in, sticks around for a few days. We'll be right back.